Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech to give you all the insights you need. Today, we're putting the spotlight on Dell's newest addition to their XPS lineup, the XPS 9440. Let's see if this laptop lives up to the hype. Starting with design, the Dell XPS 9440 impresses with its sleek aluminum chassis and a choice of platinum or graphite finishes. It feels premium with a glass palm rest, and despite not being the lightest in its class, it strikes a balance between portability and performance. The Infinity Edge display with super slim bezels is truly stunning, especially on the OLED variant, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Under the hood, this laptop packs a punch. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor and NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU. It handles everything from everyday tasks to demanding applications with ease. Whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or even gaming at 1080p, the XPS 14 delivers smooth performance. It might not match the MacBook Pro in single-core benchmarks, but it holds its ground admirably. Let's talk about that display. The 3.2K OLED panel is a standout feature, offering crisp details and excellent color accuracy. It's perfect for media consumption and creative work alike. Dell has also improved the audio experience by relocating the speakers to the top of the keyboard, resulting in clearer sound output compared to previous models. Moving on to user experience, the keyboard and trackpad are where Dell takes some risks. The keyboard, while sleek, lacks distinct key travel which might not suit everyone, especially touch typists. Similarly, the touch bar in place of physical function keys and the invisible trackpad could be divisive. On the upside, Dell managed to fit a 1080p webcam into the narrow bezel, which is a practical upgrade for video calls. Battery life is one area where the XPS 14 falls slightly short compared to its competitors. It's decent for light tasks but may struggle under heavy loads. On the connectivity front, you get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a 3.5mm combo jack, and a micro SD slot, offering good flexibility for peripheral devices and external storage. In conclusion, the Dell XPS 9440 is a strong contender in the premium laptop segment. Its powerful performance, stunning OLED display, and premium design make it a worthy competitor to the MacBook Pro 14-inch. However, it comes at a premium price point and some design choices like the touch bar and flat keyboard might not appeal to everyone. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Dell XPS 9440. If you're looking for a Windows laptop that combines style with performance, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.